Hello there, I'm Josh from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Toyota Auris Hybrid XL. It's equipped with a 1.8 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission, with the vehicle also being ULEZ compliant. Your exterior is finished in a nice and elegant white with contrasting privacy glass and window surrounds. The vehicle is equipped with LED headlights, daytime running lights and LED rear lights for great visibility all around. The Auris then boasts a nice and spacious boot with plenty of room for the weekly shopping and larger items inside. Inside, this model has been fitted with a leather upholstery for a more premium feeling cabin space. Rear passengers also have a drop down armrest with cup holder storage available. Heading into the front of the cabin space, there's plenty of legroom for both driver and passenger, with the driver having access to a multifunction steering wheel. On the left hand side of your wheel you'll find volume and hands-free call options. The right side then lets you control your digital driver display with plenty of viewing modes available, and you've got a speed limiter and cruise control toggle just behind. Keyless ignition is found on the right hand side of the wheel. You'll then have access to a variety of entertainment options, including DAB radio and Bluetooth connection via the main touchscreen. It also supports built-in navigation to help find newer destinations, and manoeuvring is made nice and simple via a rear camera system. Climate control is dual zone. You'll also spot the panel below that lets you toggle heated front seats, ideal for those colder months. You've then got a nice amount of central storage. Thank you if you're interested in this Toyota Auris XL, available now from Honda Bolton. For more information on this vehicle, please contact a member of the sales team.